You mean I put hundreds of thousands of dollars, you gonna give me a penny as a thank you? No. So we have to be smarter about where we put our money, right? And the FDIC, which is a business, it's not the federal government, it's a business. They only secure up to 250,000. So if you have $1 million in the bank and the bank's closed, they'll go bankrupt. Guess what? Anything above that 250,000, they like, bye-bye, thank you, we took your money. The banks are a joke. They really are, because the money that they're lending out is your money and they're making interest off your money. So you got to be smart about how to make interest off your own money with these vehicles, right? So like one of my goals, one of my dreams, once I figure out how it works, and I'm going to find a coach that's going to show me who's done this before, is to get multi-millionaires that look like me, and we're going to start our own bank. Why not? We can do that. If you have enough money, if you got enough money coming in, all the multiple millionaires, that's multiple millions adds up to multiple billions. Yeah, we have some power that we can bring back to our community and let them become members of our banks. And let's serve the people who traditionally go to the bank and get turned down, but their money is in the bank. How are you going to turn me down? You're using my money, right? So solutions, right? So all of this stuff comes full circle, but you have to have money to make money, and you have to be a problem solver for the money to flow into your business. Case in point, the first time that I realized they were investing our money was I went to the bank one day and I deposited like $200,000 in cash. Like I had so much cash laying around. I'm like, I need to go put this money in the bank. So the next day I say, well, you know what? I'm about to go cash out on this property. So let me go get my cash. The next day, 24 hours, they said it ain't there. They said, oh, you got to order it. That's a real thing? You got to order money? I like yesterday, before y'all closed, I saw you take my money back there to that vault. It's not in there? Nah, they done already linked it out. It's gone. So that's how I realized that the banks are a joke. And then they give you, for your money to be in their bank, 0.00025%. That's a penny. You mean I put hundreds of thousands of dollars, you gonna give me a penny as a thank you? No. So we have to be smarter about where we put our money, right? And the FDIC, which is a business, it's not the federal government, it's a business. They only secure up to 250,000. So if you have $1 million in the bank and the bank's closed, they'll go bankrupt. Guess what? Anything above that 250,000, they like, bye-bye, thank you, we took your money, right? So this is why you have to understand you cannot keep all of your money in the bank, put some in some assets that's going to continue to make money and continue to grow. But anyway, that's a whole nother training, a whole nother day. But I feel like everybody needs to know this, because if you're getting into government contract, number one, what I know, it's not what I think, it's going to change your tax bracket. It's going to change the amount of money that you have available, cash flow in your pocket, in your bank account, or whatever. It's going to change your life. Like literally, it will. You have to know and be educated on what you can do to continue to grow that, so that you don't end up being taxed 50% of your $1 million. Because that will happen if you're financially illiterate. It will happen. They will tax 50% or more of your money. And now you've worked so hard to get it, but you can't see it. You're like, what? Right? So you have to be smart, right? These are the types of things. So that's why I say, I'm not just a government contracts expert. That's something that I know. But what I am an expert at, what I do, I'm a wealth creator. I create millionaires. That's what I do. That's what I've been doing. And that's what I love to do. Like, if you want to join this community of millionaires, then you have to follow the same blueprint. You have to follow the stuff and do the stuff that I'm telling you. All of it matters. Having principles, understanding, all of those, building your business the right way, tapping into business, personal credit, tax advantages, understanding the tax code and all those things, it all plays a part. It's not just like we just gonna get some checks and that's it. Nah, we're gonna get some knowledge and we're gonna learn how to really grow and thrive in business. And really, what does generational wealth mean to you? Like, we're gonna know what that really means, how to protect that asset and literally pass it down from generations to generation, because your money gonna outlive you. If your money don't outlive you, you're doing your business the wrong way. It will outlive you if you do the business the right way. It will outlive you. You'll have so much money you can't spend it in your lifetime. I mean, I'm just saying, right? So anyways, today, somebody say, Ronald said, that's what I want, put me with the Rockefellers. Yeah. I mean, they're the only difference between the Rockefellers, the Vanderbilts, and like all these rich name families is because they are financially literate. They understand how money works. You have to know how money works. If you don't know how money works, you're losing a lot of money and you don't even know it. It's happening. You're losing it.